So this one's hurting my heart. I don't have room for this mama and these babies. And mama's just tired. She says she's very, very sweet. She gives them little growls. And look, she's got a little underbite. I know about mama. If there's anyone out there that can help this mama and her babies, I'm trying, honey. I try. I know. I know. Please, I know.
And here's our beautiful Amethyst. And Amethyst is also one of Jules' puppies from La Jolla. She's probably right now about 3 pounds, and she's about 7 to 8 weeks old. And she's got really pretty eyes like her mom. She's also extremely outgoing. Look at her. She got a cute little eye patch too. She says, "Man, what are y'all doing out here?" She wants to jump down is what she wants to do. Yes, and you're a precious, sweet girl. Mom is super sweet. We don't know who Dad is, but we know that Amethyst is beautiful. What do you think about that, Amethyst? Huh? I'm so happy they're here with us because they're going to be wonderful, great little pups. Yes, look at that beautiful face. Look at that gorgeous. Look, she's got beautiful eyes like her mom. And this is Amethyst with the purple eyes. Say bye. This little Jules baby, Cornelia. And Cornelius, the little runt. And he looks like he's been beat up on. Poor baby. That's under a schnauzer over there. If you know how they sound. But anyway, he's also 7 to 8 weeks old, and he's probably right now about 2.5 pounds. And he says, "I'm gonna be so sweet and I'm handsome." Are you a handsome boy? He's just little. And they were full of fleas and full of worms. Oh, listen to that. And this is our smallest little baby, and his name is Cornelian. He said, "I'm so sleepy right now. Can y'all put me in my bed?" Look how sweet. Aw, that's a sweet boy. He's gonna heal up though. He's already on the mend. He's gonna be a beautiful white boy with a freckled nose and pretty eyes like his mom, Jewel. Right, boy? Yeah, you're okay. He's been playing in the water bowl. He's acting all shy now, but he's not really. Right, boy? Look up at Lisa. Gonna give Lisa a kiss? You gonna give Lisa a kiss?
You're not really kissers yet, are you?
No, he says, "I don't know." He says, "This is a really big deal. I'm out here all by myself. Don't have my brothers and sisters." There's our pretty boy, Cornelius. Say bye. Say bye. You're not gonna look at it. And here's our little Garnet. And little Garnet is one of Jules' babies. And she was in the La Jolla pound in Hidalgo County. And she's beautiful. She's a little girl. She's about 3.5 pounds. Her mom is about a 40-pound boxer cattle dog. Her mom is beautiful and sweet. So she may be 25, 30, 40 pounds. We don't know because we don't know who Dad is. But we know she's the cutest little freckled girl ever. Right, baby? Look at that pretty face. They probably wouldn't have made it out of La Jolla alive. That's a sad reality. So we couldn't leave them there. They're so cute. Look at those eyes. And she says, "I'm going to be ready for my own home." And I got beautiful eyes. Let me see your eyes, baby. And they're all really social. They wag their tails. They're happy. Their mom's been a great mom. And they're weak now. So it's time for her to get ready for her home, right? Is that right, Garnet? See, we all got Jewel names because we're all little Jules. That little face and those little eyes. Look at that.
Hi.
She had to look up at you. She says, "Who's got me?" I think right now we figured they're about 8 weeks, 7 to 8 weeks. Yeah. And they're adorable.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, that's our big girl. That's our cute girl. Look at that little puffy face. And this is Garnet. And here's one of Jules' babies. And this is Jade. And Jade's little tail goes really fast. She is so cute. She's very happy. She's probably around 3.5, 4 pounds, 7, 8 weeks old. Yes. Look at her. All of these puppies are extremely nice puppies. Extremely nice. Just nice, laid back, happy babies. Look at her. She's got little freckles. Their mom is about 40 pounds. And we don't know who Dad is. No, we don't. Yes, and tell the neighbor to hush. Because it would be nice if I could talk without Here, oh look, she says, I'm so happy. And this is our Jade, and she's adorable. They all came from La Jolla, the La Jolla Pound in Hidalgo County along the border. Look at this little baby, she's precious.
With a happy tail.
With a happy little tippy tail, look. You sweet girl. Yes, you are. She's a very good girl. Say bye. Say bye. I'm cute. Adopt me.
Thank you
Now
so
give
much.
kisses.
Oh, thank you so much.
You give kisses too. There you are.
With that puppy breath.
Yes. And here's our other little boy, Pyrite. This is Jules' little boy. And he's about 3.5 pounds, 7 to 8 weeks old. He's got a little patch on his eye. A little dot on his head. Look at him. They're all such really nice puppies. Very nice, calm. Their mom is super sweet. We don't know who Dad is. So, of course, we don't know how big they're going to be, so don't even ask. Because we have no clue. We just know they're happy puppies that needed saving down from the border of Mexico in La Jolla in Hidalgo County. And they are here with us, and we're going to find them the very best homes. They didn't deserve to be born to be miserable and suffer. Yeah, there's my boy. Yes, look at him. He's so sweet. And this is our little Pyrite. He says, but I'm not fake gold. I'm all gold. For those of you who know what Pyrite is, he used to call it fool's gold. He says, I'm no fool. I'm here with my siblings. Yeah, I'm no fool. There's our boy. This is Pyrite. Say bye.